Thank you for joining us today. My name is Andreas Levine, and I'm a lawyer here in Ontario. And today I'm joined by the radiant Antri Damakos, award-winning lawyer and author. And we're here to talk about her new best-selling book, which has its brand new 5th edition, Your Guide to Canadian Law. Thank you for being here today, Antri.
Thank you for having me, Andreas. It's not that new. This is the 5th edition, so this is the new version, but this book is quite old, actually. The first edition came out in 2005, and it covers about 2,500 questions that people have about the law, and it's written so that people can understand it, and it's been dissected in a way that you can easily zero in on the topic you are interested in, and you don't have to read a lot of extra stuff, which is very cumbersome for people to try to sort of weed through a bunch of information to find the answers they need.
And does this book focus on one particular area of law, or what's the type of information it provides?
No, it's not one area of law. It's many areas of law. Approximately covers 50 major areas of law, such as family law, immigration, real estate, tax law. The idea is that these are the laws that affect most people. There are a lot of laws that come into play in your life. And whether you are cognizant and realize it or not, it's happening. So, you go to school, there's laws about that. You get a job, there's employment law. Maybe you get married, maybe you live with someone, maybe you have a child, maybe you want to bring a family member to Canada. There's so many things. You buy a house, you sell a house.
You get in a car accident.
You get in an accident. You have a problem with some government office. You want to start your own business. I mean, there's so many things. And so this book covers, I'm going to say the typical questions and the 50 most common areas of law that affect us.
I'm looking at it, and it seems a little bit overwhelming. It's about 800 pages. So what possessed you to write this behemoth book?
It's not so overwhelming. I can see you can pick it up. So
Can you go to the gym with it?
Well, I do use it for training in the morning. I confess, I do. No, it's very light. It's in bite-sized pieces. So even though there are a lot of pages, you don't have to read it from cover to cover. It was designed to make it easy for you, so you can either look in the table of contents, or you can go to the back and search a relevant word and in the index, and then find the right page number. Mm-hmm. And everything's got a title and a subheading, so it's super easy to use.
I can see that it's clearly broken down.
What possessed me? God only knows, because I don't really know. I just started because I had an immigrant mother who was having a lot of problems and couldn't sort things out because she did not speak English very well. She did not read and write English. And as a child, I couldn't help her. And somehow, as I got older, I wanted to help people navigate things for themselves and find some justice for them. And somehow that turned into this over the years.
Well, thank you for that lovely discussion. And thank you for writing Your Guide to Canadian Law, which is now available on Amazon as paperback and ebook.